Today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges every parent faces: digital distraction in children. Screens are everywhere, from mobile games and YouTube videos to social media apps, and managing them has become harder than ever before in our increasingly connected world. In this video, I'll share practical, expert-backed strategies and real-world examples to help you guide your child toward healthy digital habits, all without shouting, without fights, and without any unnecessary stress. We'll cover why distraction is growing, how to set clear limits, create tech-free zones, offer better alternatives, model good behavior yourself, and even use technology to manage technology effectively. Children today are surrounded by fast-moving content that's specifically designed by tech companies to keep them hooked for as long as possible. Think about the bright colors, quick rewards like points or badges, non-stop notifications popping up every few seconds, and endless scrolling feeds. These elements constantly stimulate their developing brains, making it incredibly hard for them to focus on anything else. This constant barrage doesn't mean technology itself is bad or that we should ban all screens. It simply means we, as parents, need to teach the right balance so kids can use it wisely without it taking over their lives. One of the most effective ways to reduce digital distraction is by setting clear, healthy digital limits that are simple for kids to understand and follow consistently. For example, enforce screen time only after homework is completed. No mobile phones or devices during family meals at the dining table. Limit entertainment screen time to just 1 to 2 hours per day. And absolutely no devices at least 1 hour before bedtime to protect their sleep. To make this work smoothly, create a tech schedule board on the fridge outlining these rules as part of your family routine. Not as strict punishments, but as predictable expectations. One parent I worked with saw their kids follow it without arguments because they knew exactly what to expect each day. Additionally, establish tech-free zones like the dining table for meals, a dedicated study corner for homework, and the bedroom after 9 p.m. to help separate focus time from screen time and improve concentration. Kids often turn to screens out of boredom, so the key is to replace them with engaging offline alternatives that spark their interest and creativity. Offer options like challenging puzzle games that build problem-solving skills, outdoor sports such as soccer or biking to get them moving and active, hands-on drawing or crafts for artistic expression, family board games that encourage interaction and laughter, and dedicated reading time with fun books that transport them to new worlds. When children have these exciting, fulfilling offline activities readily available, their reliance on digital distraction naturally decreases, leading to better focus, happier moods, and stronger family bonds. Remember, our goal as parents isn't to remove technology entirely from their lives. We're teaching balance, discipline, and smart usage so they can thrive in this digital world. Children learn by example, so be a digital role model. Put your own phone away during meals, avoid scrolling in front of them before bed, and demonstrate using screens for productive learning, rather than endless entertainment. In fact, you can even use technology to control technology, like screen time trackers that monitor usage, child-safe browsers to filter content, app blockers during study hours, and alerts for excessive gaming. These tools create structure without constant battles, helping your child grow strong, focused, and confident. If you found this video helpful in tackling digital distraction with your children, please hit that like button right now, subscribe for more parent-friendly tips on healthy digital habits, and drop a comment below sharing what the biggest digital distraction your child faces, whether it's YouTube, games, or social apps. I'll reply personally to your comments to offer tailored advice. So let's start a conversation and support each other in building better routines for our kids.